Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect a HY300 projector to your mobile phone in 2026. Now, this particular step or method work for both Android and iPhone. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to check if your projector model HY300 supports the wireless casting or wired connections. So here you just have to look at the back of this particular projector, and there it will show whether it is wireless or wired. Now if your projector supports the wireless casting, you need to turn on the projector and make sure that you are on the Wi-Fi network as your phone. So here on your phone, you just have to open the screencast option or the smart view feature. Then on Android, you need to swipe down, then tap on the option of cast. If you are using your iPhone, you just have to open the control center and tap on the option of screen mirroring. Now you should see the HY300 or the name of the projector in the list. So here when you see this type of page of your projector, you just have to click on the option of Wi-Fi. After clicking on the option of Wi-Fi, simply click on the option of the network settings. So in the network setting, it is going to basically show you all of the Wi-Fi networks that are available for the connection. So you just have to select the correct Wi-Fi network which you want to basically connect with your projector. After selecting its name, you just have to wait for some time until it shows you here that you have successfully established a connection. If your projector doesn't support the wireless casting, you need to use a USB-C to HDMI adapter for Android or a Lightning to HDMI adapter for iPhone. So when you plug the HDMI end into the projector, you need to connect the adapter to your phone, switch the projector source to HDMI using the projector remote or the buttons. Your phone screen should now display on the projector. So here you just have to make sure that the phone has enough battery or the charging while connecting, and if the picture doesn't appear, you can try changing the input source on the projector again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.